Always incredible prizes to be won when you buy your ticket for the Tri-Hospital Dream Lottery, which, by the way, the summer bonus deadline is midnight tonight. I'm joined today by Dr. Renée Douville, who is a researcher at St. Boniface Hospital. Dr. Renée, thank you for joining us today. You are doing some incredible research, all to do with fruit flies, and I find this so fascinating. So tell us a little bit about what you're doing.
So normally fruit flies are an annoyance to people, right? But actually they're a really great research tool. One of the reasons is it's easy to monitor how fruit flies move. And so what we've done is we've taken viral proteins and we've stuck them into the fruit fly genome so they express viral proteins in their brain. And lo and behold, that those viral proteins can actually cause motor disturbances similar to the disease amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, or ALS, and also can cause accumulation of key proteins associated with dementia. So this is a really important study because it lets us understand that viral proteins found within our own body can have a huge impact on the brain.
And you might not think that you have much in common with a fruit fly, but it turns out that we do, right? I mean, there is a reason that you're using fruit flies in your research.
Yeah, about 70% of the genes are shared between a human and a fruit fly, which is really hard to believe. And we share a lot of the same physiological pathways, so it's easy to study things that happen in humans and a fruit fly.
So the next time that coworker is annoying you, you're like, you know how close you are to being a fruit fly? Okay, but this research that you're doing is so important because we know that we need to learn more about those brain diseases, and we want to be able to be aging healthily into our older years. So money from the tickets that you buy in the Tri-Hospital Dream Lottery are able to keep this research happening. What would you like to say to folks at home? Well,
I think it's really important to understand that the funding that's provided through the foundation is really essential for training the next generation of scientists in our communities. This funding goes to supporting their stipends and all the research, expensive research reagents that they use in their studies. Fruit flies aren't expensive, but a lot of the other stuff we use is. And so it's really, really helpful to help train the next generation.
Absolutely, and to keep that research happening. TriHospitalDream.com is where you go to find out all of the amazing prizes, like houses, like cars, like money in your pocket. But you'll want to get your ticket by midnight tonight if you want to be part of that summer bonus deadline.